Welcome in. It is the local and community issues and answers right here with Jonathan Lawson. We are so thankful to have in our studios today from Legal Shield, Chris Wilkes. Welcome in, Chris.
Thank you so much, Jonathan. I appreciate the invitation this morning.
Now, we've got a topic today that we're going to talk about that is affecting so many people, identity theft. Explain that to us.
You know, Jonathan, many people, when they hear the word identity theft, they think it's all about money, that it's all about finances. That's only 16% of identity theft. And the other piece of that is if it has to do with your bank account, whether it's at the bank, the credit union, your credit card, they have coverage. Yes, you may have to take time to fill out forms and write disputes. They will get the money back into your account. We're talking about your identity, where people literally get a hold of your Social Security number. They sell it all over the world. They get a hold of your driver's license. They sell it. People have a driver's license now with your driver's license number on it, maybe somebody else's Social Security number, and their picture. So it's virtually untraceable.
And it can happen to anybody.
It can happen to anyone. We also know that what is on the most rise right now, besides children, because no one watches the children's Social Security numbers. That's not a criticism. It's just that's the way it is. Identity thieves are stealing Social Security numbers before the babies are even born. So our numbers are out there when we're born as well. And what's on the most rise right now is medical identity theft. People getting your health information, your medical numbers, your personal identifiable numbers. They're going into hospitals having tests run and procedures done with your information.
So somebody could even commit a crime with my identity.
Yes, sir. And now, wouldn't you rather, if you were going to commit a crime, wouldn't you rather do it in someone else's name?
Oh, my goodness. Yeah.
Yeah.
But now that's where Legal Shield comes in. We're going to talk about Legal Shield protect us.
Yes.
Explain Legal Shield to us.
Jonathan, Legal Shield partnered with Kroll about 14 years ago. Both Kroll and Legal Shield are over 40 years old. Kroll actually approached Legal Shield about 14 years ago and said, we know you're the best of what you do. Legal Shield is the largest legal entity in the country. We have a network of closed providers, or a closed network of provider law firms in every state except Alaska, and if you need a referral attorney there, we can get you one. We're also in 4 provinces in Canada. But Kroll recognized that Legal Shield is the leader when it comes to legal help across this country. Affordable access for all. You know, the Supreme Court says equal justice under the law.
Right.
Well, there's only equal justice if there's equal access. And that's what Legal Shield offers. And what Kroll offers is the best of the best when it comes to risk management, when it comes to identity theft issues. Countries hire them, governments hire them. They're the #1 risk management firm in the world. They actually do all the background checks for the military. They cleaned up after the Enron debacle. They are the best of the best. And what happens if your identity is stolen, and FTC says it's not if, it's when, that within 3 to 5 years, 100% of the population is going to be affected by identity theft.
You know, for the people that's watching right now by the way of TV, listening by the way of radio, you might be a victim, don't even realize it.
Yes, yes.
What are things that we need to watch out for? Like, give us some examples of how we might be a victim.
Well, you can be a victim in many ways. Like I said, someone getting your Social Security number. We know that one example, a woman out in California, an elderly woman several years ago that owed $1 million in back taxes. And what she found out was that there were undocumented individuals using her Social Security number to get jobs across the country and not paying taxes. So guess who they're going to come after?
The person
yeah. Who's the Social Security number's under. So there are many ways. Again, medical identity theft, criminal your driver's license. So it's not just, again, it's not just about your money. It is about your identity. And there was an article in the paper a couple of years ago in the USA Today about total identity theft. And what that means is, Jonathan, what if you had to prove that you are you? That someone has stolen your identity, and when you find out about it, they say, no, he stole my identity. What would you do?
It would be a situation.
It would be a nightmare. It would be a nightmare. And so it's so simple when you have such an easy solution, when you allow Kroll Legal Shield to protect you. You get the membership through Legal Shield. It is Kroll that you're protected. You have access, Jonathan, to pick up the phone and call Kroll, talk to a Kroll advisor about anything regarding identity theft. The best news is you can pick up the phone and actually get advice on how to lower your risk for identity theft. They're the people to ask about that.